This is our next topic related to the payment failure. So one of such failure, because in our previous lecture I had told you about the failure. So one of such failure is the cracks in the road. First of all, before I start explaining about these cracks, so keep this in mind. This crack is the major problem with all the pavements because cracks are occurring on asphalt surface. Leading to road failure. Why the cracks are happening? Now we will have to understand. When the cracks are occurring on the surface, it is going to destroy the road. Due to this occurrence of the crack, we say that traveling on road become difficult. First point. Second, due to these cracks, we can say that safety is reduced. As we say this safety is reduced, so it means that reduction in safety means chances of accidents increase. Chances of accident increases. Third one, for the traveler who are using their vehicles like this one, to do wear and tear of vehicles increase. So this is cracks are occurring on the asphalt surface, leading to the road failure. When the cracks are on the surface, we can say that traveling under the road is becoming difficult. Safety factor has been reduced. The chance of accident are increasing. Wear and tear of the vehicle is increasing. And after this, after giving this fundamental description about these cracks, now let me tell you why the cracks are happening on the surface. It means now we will have to explain the reasons of these cracks on the surface. First reason, this reason is very common in the developing countries where people are not taking care about the road, that this road is not made for the heavy traffic. So it means that when we use this word heavy traffic, it means that more load is being exerted on the road. Very important point. When more load is being exerted on the road, for which it is not designed, then the cracks will happen on the surface. Second point, this load is always transferred to the lower layer. And that layer which has to sustain its characteristics, sustain throughout its uses, that type of this material is known as sub-grade material. when this material is going to swell or shrink, subgrade material, when it's going to swell or shrink, it is going to produce cracks. Very important point. After this, aging of asphalt. Can also lead to the production of the cracks. Fourth point, seasonal variation. Let me write down this seasonal variation, then I will explain to you. This seasonal variation means we have hot, cold, dry, or rainy weather. When such type of the variation is coming in the season, so then we can say hot and cool. It means that your temperature is changing. So this is known as a temperature variation. When there is so much fluctuation in temperature and your asphalt has already gone to the aging condition, then this is also going to produce the cracks on the road. Now, crack is not a simple word. There are many types of the cracks which are occurring in the road. So let me write down some of the types of the cracks which are very commonly understood, or which it is very necessary for the engineers to know that what type of the cracks are mostly occurring in the road, to which we should have good and strong understanding. First of one is known as alligator cracks. Second one, longitudinal. Cracks. Third one, transverse. Edge cracks. Like we can see the block cracks, etc. So there are some more also types of these cracks. Just for your introduction, just for your understanding, I have written only these 4 or 5. Now, in my next videos, I will go on explaining these cracks for your better understanding. Then you will understand this. Then there I will explain the reason of occurrence of this particular type of the crack. Then I will also tell you their remedial action. And thank you very much for seeing this video.